up and down, so it's basically spin it this way to go up and go down. You'll get a feel of it anyway. There's neutral.
Gotcha.
Onto your left tank, sorry, right tank which you're on. Okay, so we're on the right tank. So if you turn left to the left, we're on the left hand now, no interruption. Okay, so turn to the right. And now we put the fuel tank on. Okay, so switch back to the left now. Gotcha. So we work on our watches, so left and right tank. Okay, so we're going to do a takeoff now. Gotcha. Right. Take off Alpha Whiskey. Okay, we're going to line it up for 08 pulse rear bar departure to sort of 65 talk with it. All the T's and P's on the green.
So airspeed, we want to be 70 to 75. I always say 75. Remember, we're heavy as well. We're heavy now. And then once we're over the threshold,
Controls okay.
master off on there. I always leave the key there.
Yeah, we'll check.
And mags off. And there we are.
No, that's fine. Yeah.
The key thing is protecting that nose wheel and coming in, centre line, and just getting yourself configured up.
Let me play.